Here's just one example of a slightly different kind of question. It says find the ratio of area A to area B, like that. And we're not really given very much information. We are given the equation of the curve, but we don't know where this is or this is, and that's all we're told. So it's worth just having a little bit of a think. How might you begin to go about answering this question? All right, well, as I sort of hinted, we do need to know these ones, and it's a nice quadratic we're just going to factorize. So x squared minus 3x plus 2, that's equal to, so multiplying to make positive 2, adding up to make negative 3, so that's got to be negative 1 and negative 2. So it follows that the roots are at x equals 1 and x equals 2. So I know that that's 1 and that's 2. Also from here, I know that that's 2, although we don't actually need that. So the area A is the integral of this from 0 to 1, and the area of B is the integral of, well, same curve, but from 1 to 2. And then we can see the ratio, so it's just integrating it twice. I'll give you another chance to do that yourself. Okay, good. So hopefully you've got something like this. It's the integral, I suppose, so for area A, it's the integral of x squared minus 3x plus 2 from 0 to 1 with respect to x. So integrate this, you get x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 2x from 0 to 1. So this one's fairly nice. When you put the 0 in, you're not going to get anything, but put the 1 in and you're going to get 1/3 minus 3/2 plus 2. So minus 3/2 plus 2, and then minus, when you put 0 in, 0, 0, 0. So 1/3, take off 3/2 plus 2. Yeah, gonna be lazy. So 1/3 minus 3, oh dear, that's gone badly. Minus 3/2 plus 2. This bit is 5/6. So the area of A is 5/6. Okay, I'm going to do the same sort of thing for B. So this time going between 1 and 2. Same function. With respect to x, we've already integrated it, so I don't really need to do all that again. So this will take a bit more working out, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my integral function. This is, so x squared minus 3x plus 2 from 1 to 2. This one is negative 1/6. Now, here's the thing I wanted to point out. You get a negative answer here. We don't really talk about negative area, so when you've got a bit of the curve that's under the x-axis, like we've got here, then it's going to give you a negative answer. All we do is we just go, well, let's ignore the negative sign. It's called the modulus. We're going to take the modulus of this, or the absolute value. But for now, we're just going to go with, well, we're not going to call it minus 1/6. We're just going to say that the area of B is 1/6. So area of A is 5/6, and the area of B is 1/6. Just ignore the fact that it came out negative. So 5/6 to 1/6 is the ratio of 5 to 1.